Really 890.
Yeah, sorry.
But we got new server.
So what actually, Suraj, you're trying to show?
The same error which I was facing last week,
Mm-hmm.
and I drilled down, but I didn't got any solution. I went to this Google also, but there is nothing I'm getting.
Mm-hmm.
I was thinking is what is the issue. So I was showing to everybody that anyone has seen this error earlier.
Is it still okay that when you're trying to do the ZR, you are getting that error?
Right.
Okay, so you can just keep a breakpoint and then you can see, right?
That's what Srini actually. I never did a what is it?
Oh, is it?
H on EWM. EWM spacing. It's okay. I know that when we put in the /h in our ERP, it's one, but here it is not running.
No, it will go. Okay, you are sharing your screen already?
She has given to you.
Oh, okay. I think, maybe, see what actually we can do is that, I'll show you actually, the one new kind of thing, whenever, if you want to debug it from a particular step, you don't need to even debug, you can use /h also. Otherwise, what you can do is that, instead of, new this thing, just click new here. Instead of specify this thing, what you can do is that you can create a shortcut for the /h command also. Okay, so if you don't want to debug it from a particular point, but still actually you can just see here, you can click new here, see here. This even helpful for others also. See here, start debug. What I do is that instead of transaction, select a system command, select /h. Now what is the system ID is let me.
Same system IDs and
yeah. What is our system ID? The old one.
Old one. 1 minute. I'm just telling you. Old one. I do not have old one. Sorry.
Okay, so that's fine. Okay, I'll put something else. Okay, then later I can go and change it. Okay.
Yes.
00.
System ID. Yeah, it is SCM. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, it is SCM only. So I can just I can go and find it out here. The system ID. Yeah, you can see that the system ID is SCM, right? Okay. Now let's take this example that I'm in this the ECC. Suppose SCWM / PRDI. Now let's take that I'm going to the delivery. There should be a shortcut also. It should have got created here. So I just want to see where the shortcut has gone. So C colon. Okay. So. Actually, whenever if you create a shortcut, actually, I just want to send this thing to the desktop. So what you can do is that on a particular transaction, wherever you want to do the debugging, instead of starting the /h here onwards, instead of putting a /h and then start debugging, if you are in a particular screen, then you can just simply drag and drop it on that particular screen also. So that way, it will help it out actually.
So it will directly.
See, you can see that the debugging switched on. Suppose see here, now if you just click here and then instead of you don't need to go to that the /h and always you can just leave this thing like this thing. Now from this screen onwards you want to start debugging, right? Then you just come here and then double click here and then okay, click goods receipt. Okay, it will start the debugger. You don't need to go to the /h each time and then okay start debugging. So wherever you can keep this thing in a separate parallel session, and then in a particular open session also. Suppose now what I can do is that okay, see, I'll just okay press F8 here. Now even in the middle of the dialog also, if you can just go to the open the other screen and then double click here, then it will go and okay affect it here. So this is actually a kind of okay the useful thing.
Oh, nice.
Okay, so yeah, so that way also the debugging will be much easy.
On the initial setup, how you need to choose shortcut?
Yeah, you just need to go to the shortcut, okay? And in the properties of the shortcut, instead of a transaction, select a system command and then /h. Okay, so that way the debugging also can become much easy to you. Okay. Yeah.
Always keep it as a parallel session. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So today, okay, let us finish. Okay, the deconsolidation. So for the deconsolidation, okay, we already have a product. Okay, the HYD_rise. Okay. Now apart from these things, okay, what actually I want to do is that okay, I just want to okay add okay the one more okay the product okay for this thing. Okay, so HYD_ okay something else. Okay, I just want to add it. So first I want to create this material master, but the put away for these two materials is going to be into the two different locations. So I just want to do the unload, and then okay want to do the deconsolidation, and then okay want to do the put away also. So let me go to the ERP, and then okay I'm just trying to create okay that particular material master, and then I want to send it to our SCM system. Okay, so
not raw material, finished product.
is it okay? I did not remember. Yeah.
That will not have a sales view.
Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so I just want okay.
Excuse me.
Hey, somebody is getting already sleep.
I'm just tired.
Being Monday or it's like okay. Okay, so just creating this particular material, and then okay I want to send this particular material to SCM. Okay. Transportation group is 0001, I think so.
0001.
Yeah.
Oh, 0001.
Yeah. Sorry.
NA, availability check.
Yep.
No, not NA.
It's
01.
I think no
01
availability check. I just don't want to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, KP.
KP standard.
Resource management is active. Okay, so let me go to the validation class.
Accounting.
Yep. So I don't want, okay. This thing, I just want to change it to
7200.
3000. I just want to, okay.
7920. 7920.
Whatever it is. Okay. So,
Okay.
oops, forecast model also. Why this is?
Selected all.
MRP 4.
MRP 4, right? For the APO forecast model?
Yeah.
Where is it?
MRP 3.
Forecasting.
Period indicators.
No.
Forecasting.
Forecasting.
Oh yeah, sorry, forecasting view. Yeah, sorry.
I need to do all these things. Okay. Do you think that okay, last time we created it as a finished product only?
Yeah, actually you selected all the views. So it
Yeah, that's also the problem. Okay, so now I just want to go on. Okay, let me distribute this particular material. So now I just want to h5d underscore okay for our plant. Okay, so now so I just want to distribute this particular material. So I hope what is actually going on in your warehouses? Okay, are you able to practice everything through RF, the complete put away and the complex put away also? So I'm just generating that the integration model.
Srini, I have to configure the source control process.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Other than that, I mean, I was able to do everything else.
Oh, that's good actually.
RF I haven't tried yet because I'm assuming if I'm able to run the transaction through GUI.
Yeah, the same way it should work it in the RF also, unless you created the profiles correctly for the RF guy and you create the resource management and you activate the resource management, that should work properly.
Right.
Yeah.
I have a question here. I mean, not related to the SIF or this particular issue that you are doing right now. I have a question on the RF thing. Can we have more than one resource allocated to the same order, warehouse order?
No.
No. Right? It just
no, you mean to say that we are at the execution time or at the only the work is lying with the two resources?
Let's say if I have a very big warehouse order, let's say of 25 lines.
Okay.
25 tasks in it. So I don't want to split the entire warehouse order. I mean, it's just for the brainstorming. It's not like a requirement, but one of the users was saying like, can we have more than one resource for in one warehouse order? Just like more a conceptual question. Yeah.
Actually, what actually you can do is that what actually, because the warehouse order is always assigned to the queue, once actually one guy started to work on the warehouse order, it will be locked.
Okay.
So that way it's not possible, I can say.
Okay, makes sense. Okay.
But what actually you can do is that you can always put that in one warehouse order, maximum 5 tasks only permitted. So automatically by default whenever if the sixth work comes automatically that same thing it will be the sixth task onwards it will be assigned to the other users.
Okay.
Yeah.
Srini, that time it will be new order, right?
Yeah, it will be a new order. Yeah, it will be a new order.
What he is asking is a bulk task is they can resource can share same task completed.
No, because okay, at the time okay, it will be conflicting entries, so that's why okay, system does not allow. But you can always okay remove the
But is
task.
there anyway like a grouping, a group resource kind of anything we can manage, like 2-3 resource we can put into one group or then we can assign?
See, the resource group concept, we always have it. The resource group, okay, you can assign the same work to multiple users, but at the execution, okay, only one guy can access a document in business thing. Suppose let's take the same way that, okay, I have a sales order. Only one guy can access it at one time. So even the warehouse order also treated as one document.
I see your point. Yes, makes sense. Yeah, that's what I mean. Based on my understanding with the warehouse transfer order, I told them that it will not be possible, but again I will double check.
But actually, see, if actually through RF, okay, if they don't want to do this thing, okay, what actually they can do is that, okay, see, what actually they can do is that, okay, instead of going and starting by warehouse order, okay, they can go and okay confirm by the warehouse task actually.
Oh, okay. Oh, good.
See,
Okay,
see,
very good.
what actually, see, you got my point, right? See, instead of actually, if I go and okay scan the warehouse order, I can go and okay confirm by the warehouse task actually, if you want it.
Oh, okay.
So in that case, okay, yeah, suppose okay, if you have okay 25 line items in a warehouse order, don't give the warehouse order slip to them. Give only the warehouse task slips to them only.
Okay, very good. Yes,
So,
yes, Srini.
okay,
Now
so
you answered the question. Yep, yep.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, that way, okay, you can go and okay still achieve the same requirement.
Very good. Brilliant. Thank you.
Nice. Okay, so now, okay, the same way, okay, we got this problem. Okay, so let me transfer this particular material. Okay, so HOID_CUR. So this is our queue actually, which came here and then okay, it got stuck here. So now, if someone actually okay, just want to know that okay, the debugging also, so just okay, going here. Now I just want to create a watch point. When the okay, the error message comes, okay, /MSC number, which is sorry, which is equal to okay. I think it was 146. Yeah. Sorry. Now I'll just okay press F8. So first it goes to the SAP APO. You can always see that okay, this is the function module. Now okay, the load of the program. Okay, now this is the place actually okay, where it goes to the error message. So I just want to go back to this place, okay, and then okay, so now my material master, okay, should be able to, okay, I should have that, okay, available. I should have it, okay, available in the our EWM system. So once you have it available here, okay, just make sure that, okay, you provide a warehouse view also for that material. So master data, now the product, so maintain the warehouse product. So HYD underscore, okay, so this is a product, okay, which we just want to, okay, create it. So just click the button, okay, create it. Now what actually I just want to do is that for this particular material, we know already that, okay, whenever the process type determination indicator is ME, then only, okay, it is going to, okay, find that, okay, the process type, okay, the 1011 for which, okay, that we enabled, okay, the deconsolidation process, and as well as, okay, I just want to, okay, determine, okay, that particular, okay, the storage area, okay, determination group also. Now what actually, okay, our requirement is that, okay, the HYD rise, okay, I just want to, okay, drive to the cold storage type, okay, whenever if I want to store the goods also, and HYD curry actually, okay, I just want to, okay, drive it to the hot storage type also. Okay, so this is, okay, the requirement. So whenever if the goods actually come in as a mix of these two things, so first it is unload, and then, okay, I want to do the deconsolidation, and then, okay, want to do the final put away also. So I just, okay, want to define a set strategy so that, okay, this is actually going to drive this thing, because, okay, for this thing, okay, we already know that, okay, it is going to be driving to this particular storage type. So let us go to that, okay, our settings, and once this is done, okay, I'll just summarize to you that, okay, what are all the settings we did for the deconsolidation. So IMG. Now, yeah,
I have one question here.
yeah.
This unload terminology comes in when TU is there, or without TU also unload?
Usually, okay, usually from the TU only, okay, we'll do this thing. Otherwise, okay, even without TU also we can start it. Usually what the procedure is that the transportation unit, or when the truck arrives it, from the truck transaction, I'll click the button, okay, unload, so that, okay, the process is that, okay, the unload, okay, warehouse tasks, okay, will be created to GR zone. And then, okay, once this is completed, then the automatically tasks will be created from GR zone to deconsolidation. Once that, okay, the decon is finished, see here, once the decon is finished, then the tasks will be created, okay, tasks to final location, okay, will be created automatically. Is it clear now? So usually, okay, the process, okay, okay, in the next step, okay, I'll add the TU also. It's a very simple thing only. Okay, so instead of, okay, I'm just, okay, as of now what I'm doing is that I'm clicking the unload button from the delivery. So later what you will have is that, okay, you will have, okay, assuming that I have 100 deliveries. So if I have 100 deliveries, I need to go and, okay, click the each delivery one time. But usually one truck actually contains 100 deliveries. So I'll go to I'll assign all these 100 deliveries to one truck, and I go to the truck transaction and then click the button unload.
Right.
Then it will start all the process only. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now GR process, okay, so the strategy
I have one question here.
Yep.
Can we break this unloading activity into two parts, as in unloading start and unloading end? Because we have this particular environment.
What actually, see, when you say that, okay, the unload start means, okay, that is the time only where the unload tasks actually will be created.
Okay.
Okay. Is it clear now? Now, when you confirm the unload task, okay, see here, when you confirm the unload task, that is nothing but, okay, the unloading, okay, finished. It will be, status will be updated at the delivery and as well as at the TU level.
Okay.
Okay, is it clear now? See, first thing is that I'm creating the work, and then, okay, once I'm confirming the work, then the status of the delivery also will be changed to unloading finished.
Okay.
Okay, so even, okay, if you look at actually the last week, okay, our document, I'll just show you that thing also. Okay, so if you go to our document last week, okay, 302, unloading, okay, got completed here. So if you just go to the status, okay, so even, okay, you can see that, okay, every status here, whether unloading is completed and all those things, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So now first, okay, I want to define, okay, the storage type set, so that, okay, it has to find that, okay, the hard storage type sets. Okay, so I want to define, okay, define the storage type set sequence, okay, for the put away. So I just want to define again new sequence. Okay, so in the EHYD, okay, we know that, okay, last time, okay, we used, okay, this particular set sequence. So I just want to define a new set sequence. Okay, so HT, okay, SAP, okay, so hard storage, okay, first. Now just save this thing. Now going back, now assign that, okay, the storage type, okay, to the set sequence. So for this, okay, the HOTS, okay, I just want to, okay, assign our, okay, the HOTS. So I just want to copy, okay, one of it, okay, the storage type set sequence, which I just now defined it, okay, that is, okay, the HTSP, that is, okay, the hard storage first. So in the hard storage first, okay, the first sequence is that, okay, it has to find a storage type, okay, so it has to find a bin that belongs to that, okay, the hard storage type. Okay, so where is this thing? Okay, so this is the one, okay, which I just want to find it first, HOTS. Now even I don't think, okay, I have a bins in that thing. So now if I go here, assign the storage type set sequence, then yeah, sorry. Next thing is that, okay, I want to define two controls. Yeah, and then I want to define a put away control indicator also, so that, okay, this I can assign it in the material master for that query. Okay, so now
these three. Yeah,
exactly. Now HTSP, okay, so hot first. So whenever if the put away control indicator is HTSP, it has to use, okay, the storage type set sequence of, okay, the HTSP put away control indicator. Now just, okay, saving this thing. Now just going back, next thing is that specify the storage type for the put away. So I'm just going here. Now in this warehouse, okay, I'm just, okay, putting these things. Okay, in EHYD, whenever if the put away control indicator is, okay, the HTSP, okay, and then, okay, if it is the process type is 1010, please use, okay, the sets. Yeah, I'll just put it for both, so that, okay, even for simple and as well as for complex, okay, it will take it. Okay, now first it has to take, okay, the hard storage first. Okay, and as well as, okay, even, okay, for that, okay, the 1011 also, okay, I'm just, okay, putting this thing. Okay, now
we can do
so
like
this is, okay,
multiple process type we can put here.
Yes. Okay, so if the process type, okay, if my put away control indicator is, okay, you can see that, okay, in the put away type control indicator is HTSP, and then, okay, if it is a process type of, okay, the 1010, okay, then, okay, take this thing. Okay, so like this thing, okay, you can define it. Now I just need to define, okay, some of the bins in the hard storage type. So I don't have, okay, anyway the storage sections indicators, okay, I don't want to default it because, okay, let it, okay, the default, and then, okay, the bin determination is also going to be the default. Okay, now I just want to define, okay, the bin structure also. So storage bins. Okay, now define, okay, the storage bin structure. So even for that, okay, the EHYD, okay, do you remember, okay, we defined, okay, this cold as one of the bins. So I just want to define it, okay, even for the hot also. So in this, okay, the hard storage type, okay, HOTS, okay, the storage section, and then the bin type, okay, let it be that, okay, the cold only. I just want, okay, my bin names as, okay, the HOTS. Then also, okay, HOTS. Okay, now I just, okay, defined, okay, my bin structure. Now just go back here, and then, okay, make sure that, okay, you generate your bins also. So this, anyway, it will act as even a refreshing exercise to some of you, okay, who don't know how to create a mass generation of bins. So I'm just going to the master data, and then, okay, the storage bin. Now I just want to generate that, okay, the storage bins. So instead of okay creating it okay individually, okay. Okay, because I use the same bin type only, so don't get confused okay with this thing. But okay, our storage type is okay the HOTS. Okay, so now I'm just going here, and if you want to create the bins, okay, you can just simply click the button, okay, create it.
100.
Now you can see that okay from HOTS 0101 till okay it will create okay some 100 bins. Okay, yeah, so that becomes okay much easy now to generate the bins with that okay the predefined terminology. So all the 100 storage bins are okay got created. So and then okay whenever if you want okay to do any activity in the warehouse, okay, so make sure that okay you sort your bins okay as per the activity okay which you are going to do. Suppose like okay in the put away okay what bin it has to take first, okay, those things. Okay, so I'm just okay going to do that thing. Okay, so let me, where is this thing in the master data activity areas? Okay. Okay, so define, okay. Okay, so sort that, okay, the storage bins, sorry. Okay, so. Okay, so now, make sure that, okay, you have defined the activity area for even that, okay, the hard storage type also. So, otherwise, okay, it will not work. Okay, so we have that, okay, the hard storage activity area, and then okay I just want to okay the activity is okay the put away.
So this is standard, right?
Yeah, usually okay unless okay you created an activity and then okay you need to assign it to the activity area, you cannot use the bins okay for the corresponding activity. Okay, suppose okay you want to do the deconsol or okay the picking, or okay you want to do that okay the internal movements okay in a particular storage type. First you need to sort the bins, otherwise okay the system will not behave properly. It may select okay the very random bins whatever it likes it. Okay, so the bin sorting okay you can define it in the SPRO also. Okay, define the sort sequence. That means okay you want to sort always the bins on the ale, or you want to sort it on the location, or you want to sort the bins based on that okay the temperature also. So you can define it, okay, the n number.
Or we want to,
yeah.
We want to put our sort sequence then.
Okay, then okay, you need to have user exit.
Okay, and this sort sequence is
It
always
was not it is not
coordinate?
possible like warehouse management.
Sorry?
It is not possible like warehouse management. In warehouse management, we were able to put the entries in the sort pick field, that put away field and or a removal field. So it is not possible in this case.
No. Only that okay based on the activity you can specify that okay these are the possible sequences based on the stack level bin subdivision. So these are the things. But okay anyway if you want actually your own bin always to be proposed based on the customizing logic, okay, in the warehouse task creation okay we have an excellent body. That warehouse task creation body you can use it and you can customize everything.
Okay.
Okay, because when you create a warehouse task, it contains only source and destination. So always the destination we can control whatever the way we want it.
Okay, so Srini, this is a one-time activity whenever we...
Yeah, it's a one-time activity. Yeah, it's a one-time activity. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So now I created okay these two of these things, and now I hope okay you remember that okay we defined okay the storage bins, and as well as okay we defined that okay the activity areas also. So
right.
Master data, and then we define the activity areas, and then we assign that okay the storage bins even to the activity areas. So what actually I just want to show you is that okay make sure that okay the two different okay consolidation things are assigned, okay, for one for that okay the cold and as well as okay for the hot. So if you go to the cold actually, so make sure that okay it is holding a okay, you can see that okay do you remember in the last class okay we defined the consolidation group number ranges. Okay, now we defined okay the consolidation group of okay the 4 followed by 9 zeros okay for the first one, and as well as okay the consolidation group of okay this particular thing okay for the second one also. Now I just want to do that okay the deconsolidation. Okay, so first what I want to define is that okay I just want to create a delivery there with the two materials, and then okay I just want to pack them as a single material, and then okay want it okay to be send it here. So before that thing okay I just want to
If you don't mind, Srini, can you write on notepad this particular before getting a delivery so that we will not miss it.
Yeah, I can do that thing also. Okay, so first thing, okay, what I did is that, okay, I just created, okay, the storage types. Okay, this thing is very clear to you, right?
Yes.
And then, okay, what actually, okay, sorry, I just forgot, okay, one more thing, okay, I just want to change my material master also so that, okay, maintain that, okay.
For the curry?
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so I just want to, okay, change, it's locked, it's locked, right? Okay, sorry. Now, what I want to do is that, okay, the put away control indicator is, okay, the HTSP, so that, okay, it has to find, okay, the hard storage type. See here, okay, now can you see here now what all the indicators I made here? One is that, okay, the process type determination indicator, so that, okay, it finds that, okay, the process type of, okay, see here, first thing is that, okay, it finds, okay, the 1011, then once that unload is confirmed, now it finds that, okay, the, see, once that unloading is confirmed, okay, the rice plus, okay, the curry actually came in a single box. Now, based on the console, okay, this thing, this has a set sequence of, okay, the HTSP, okay, and this has a set sequence of, okay, the cold one towards, actually I can say that, okay, rice is, okay, towards cold and curry is actually, okay, towards, okay, these things. But, okay, unfortunately the cold has a different consolidation group compared to the HTSP. Now my system assumes that, yeah, because, okay, they are going to be stored at two different places, okay, or basically, okay, it may be two different places or the consolidation group may be two different also. Now, can I have one question actually? In one storage type, okay, in one storage type, is it possible, okay, to have two different, okay, consolidation groups?
At storage section level.
Okay, even in one storage type, okay, let me put it one more question, or at the section level, even. Is it possible to have two different consolidation groups?
No.
No or yes?
No.
Yes.
I don't think so.
Yes.
Why?
I think so. It should be possible.
Okay, how?
एक minute.
Yeah.
I don't think so because activity area.
Should
Yes,
be
because,
different.
okay, always,
It has
yeah,
to-
because remember that always a consolidation group, see here, please remember always, okay, activity, see, always a consolidation group is assigned to the activity area.
Okay, yeah.
That's what
Activity area is nothing but a collection of bins. So within a section you can have different consolidation groups also, or within a storage type also you can have a different consolidation group. It's only nothing but at the bin level, okay, one bin cannot have two consolidation groups.
Got it. Because activity area can have one. Okay.
Yeah, because one activity area even can be formed of only one bin also.
Okay. Yes.
Okay. So, okay, so these kind of questions, okay, they may ask it in certification. Okay, so just don't worry.
So it is separate, right?
Yeah, it's separate. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So now, okay, the process type determination indicator, okay, it finds a process, and as well as, okay, the put away control, but it's not the best practice, I can say. Usually, okay, we put that, okay, the activity areas at the final storage types only, so that may lead to the confusion also. Okay, so now the put away control indicator is, okay, the HTSP. Now just, okay, saving these entries. Okay, so now going back, okay, so let us create, okay, one purchase order with these two materials, and then, okay, I just want to create a delivery, okay, for these two things also. Okay,
I mean, in the meantime, put it on
Yeah.
the process.
okay, sorry, yeah. Now what actually, okay, I defined is that, okay, see here, so both of them, okay, having, okay, the two different final storage types, so that means, okay, that it is going to find the two consolidation groups.
Yes.
Okay, so that is why, okay, the system finds that, okay, the deconsolidation is, okay, the necessary. So whenever the deconsolidation is necessary, okay, it has to find that, okay, the deconsolidation, okay, the station, right? Okay, so the deconsolidation station, okay, it will find it, okay, based on the process oriented, okay, storage control, okay, comes into the picture. Is it clear now? Okay, so in the IB01, once that unloading is finished, my IB02 is, okay, the deconsolidation, and then, okay, the IB03 is the final put away. So make sure that, okay, you define your process oriented storage control, and then you need to link it to your 1011, okay, the process type. Okay, so once you do the deconsolidation and once you do the repack in the deconsolidation station, okay, once you close it, okay, then the HU, okay, automatically it will be moved to the IB03. Okay, so next thing is that, okay, find the deconsolidation station. We know that, okay, it's going to be process oriented storage control. So define that, okay, the deconsolidation, okay, station. So define the deconsolidation station means, first of all, it's a work center, and then, okay, make sure that, okay, it's a bin. So if you want to define a work center, first thing is that, okay, you define a storage type, okay, that has a role of work center. Okay, and then, okay, you need to assign it to that particular, okay, the bin also. Okay, so whenever if you are defining a work center, okay, last week do you remember, okay, whenever if you define a work center, okay, first you need to define that, okay, the work center layout, so which contains that, okay, what are the screens you want to display in the work center, and then you need to assign it to the particular work center. So once you define a work center, see, first thing is that you define a layout, and then, okay, define a work center, and then, okay, link it to a bin. So whenever this whole process gets executed, okay, then the deconsolidation, okay, will take place in SCM system. Okay, so
deconsolidate will execute only on IB02, right?
Yeah, it's on IB02.
So IB02 will trigger the deconsolidation, and everything else.
Yes, IB02 step itself is nothing but the deconsolidation.
That's what.
Yeah, you're right.
Basically, IB02, we will create two different handling units.
Yes, you're right. From one single handling unit, okay, it's not only 2 n number, I can say.
Yeah, I mean,
how much you can want to pack?
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so now I'm just, okay, going to create, okay, one purchase order.
Srini,
Yeah.
one question. For example, if I'm after deconsolidation, if I have to pre-pack, that has to be defined in the material master. If I want to pre-pack it as 5 pieces each or 2 pieces each.
Okay, that's what we'll be. Yeah, that's what, okay, we'll be doing it in the packing specification.
Yeah, packing specification.
So in the deconsolidation station, in the deconsolidation, okay, we have a button called as, okay, the auto pack proposal.
Auto pack, yes. In that, I mean, do we have to define it in the material master?
Yeah. Yes, not in the material master. First thing is that, okay, you have to define a packaging specification. Suppose let us take the same example that, okay, if I get a, see here, okay, usually, okay, if I get a rice, okay, from the supplier, okay, Kohinoor, see here, let's take this example, okay.
Bags, yeah.
Okay, if I get it in the Kohinoor, and then, okay, if I'm storing them in, okay, the hot storage type, please store them as, okay, the 5 kg boxes.
Yes.
But if I get the same rice from India Gate, and then, okay, if I'm storing them in the same hot storage type, okay, store them as, okay, the 6 kgs. Assuming that, okay, this brand always sells as a 6 kgs, and this brand always, okay, sells it as a 5 kgs only.
Okay.
Is it clear?
One more question. At the time of issue, can we allocate as per the pre-packs?
Yes, of course.
Okay. All right.
Okay. So that is what, okay, the packaging specification or nothing but, okay, the called as, okay, the quantity classification. It's nothing but called as quantity classification.
Yes.
So that drives, okay, the how you want to pack it, and that is, okay, completely based on the condition records and as well as user exit. Usually the condition record itself is most of the times enough for us to drive the business, because most of the times you know the product and the supplier, and then, okay, based on the season also you want to pack it in differently. So,
and for instance, if I'm getting a retail order of 20 pieces, it should automatically give 4 bags of India Gate, right?
Yes, exactly.
All right.
Okay, so that's what, okay, we can do it in the packaging specification.
Yes, got it.
And one more thing, okay, with the earlier till EWM 7.0, okay, we don't have this option available. With this EWM 9, we have getting this thing, okay, something called as, okay, the stock specific unit of measurement. That means, okay, sometimes, okay, you expected kgs, but, okay, the vendor sent it in terms of lbs. So instead of sending it as 5 kg, still the unit is correct only. Sorry, the quantity is correct, but the unit of measurement got changed also. Or instead of, okay.
So the conversion table has to be maintained in the material master level?
Not only that thing, okay, even okay, there is a one flag actually in the SPRO when you're defining unit of measurement. You just need to check that checkbox. So the stock specific unit of measurement, so that okay, assuming that even while doing picking also instead of 5 kgs, you can pick it up 5 lbs also. Even though the order is okay, the 5 kgs. You can pick, assuming that okay, when the picker went to the location, he found only the 5 lbs only.
Yes. Okay.
So he can just put 5 lbs and then he can convert it.
Okay.
It's like okay, the moreover like okay, the handling okay, the multiple unit of measurement parallelly.
Yeah. For instance, there is a view in warehouse where we are putting as warehouse issue as so many units, and we have a conversion data and the basic data in the material master, where we can additional unit of measure we can put more as per the specifications of the requirement.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so if you go here in the second tab, okay, here is the place actually where we put it.
Exactly,
Unit of measure. Okay. So
Alternate unit of measure.
yeah.
Thanks, Amy.
No problems. Yeah. So here is the place okay where we can do this thing. Okay, sorry, what happened to this thing? So I just want to okay let us create okay one purchase order with these two materials, and then okay, I can create an inbound delivery. Okay, so document overview on, so that okay I can just copy from the Word document. So I just want to use this particular purchase order. So just click on close, selecting the purchase order so that I can just copy from the old document.
Go to line item and put it up.
Yeah, so I just want to go to the purchasing document and then okay, want to add okay even the new item also. Otherwise okay, I can create separate purchase orders and then I can use it, create one inbound delivery from multiple documents also. So I just okay, selecting it and then adopting it. One more question to you, that okay, is there any possibility to close that okay, like okay, 12 months of okay financial period at one time, and instead of like closing one period each time?
Yeah, OMSY.
OMSY, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, instead of like closing each period monthly, okay, suppose if I want to close like okay 12 months at one go.
Yeah, we don't have authorization to do that.
But on the other day I tried to change it, but it was showing it cannot be closed like that.
Yeah, that's what even. Okay, so that's why.
You cannot do that.
We don't have authorization to do that. Yeah.
You cannot do that. You do one by one.
Oh, is it okay?
You cannot do at one goal. You have to do by one by one.
One by one.
Yeah, that's what okay my question. Okay. So.
No, you cannot do by one goal. You have to do one by one.
Price.
Oh, is it okay? So plant okay is our okay the HYDP. Okay, now hey, this account assignment is okay became mandatory. No, because I don't want okay do this thing, because whenever if I make an account assignment okay, so do you think that okay that
Oh,
the
account
H1
assignment
rise
mandatory?
is it a
What is the material type for that?
because okay
This is for the
it's a
finished product.
finished product, so
And then let's go, right? Like,
No, account determination that we have to take it out of the checkbox.
so
Oh, you haven't created this view? Okay.
Yeah.
But you,
So,
I remember 7920 was, yeah, you created.
no, but okay, I don't want, okay, make this as because of that, okay, the finished product, okay, the valuation category, okay, got changed it, so because for that valuation class category, okay, let me take it off, okay, that, okay, the H1D underscore, okay, yeah, okay. Because, okay, I just want to see that, okay, what is the accounting category for this thing? I think it is 3400 if I'm correct for this thing. No, this is a raw material, Suraj, that's the problem. Okay, you got the problem, right? So that's why, okay, the valuation category is 3000, so I just, okay, is it possible for us to change this, okay, the classification?
Yeah, you go to OMS2.
Yeah. But okay, that OMS2 is okay, yeah. Even I just need to go to that, what is that thing? Okay, for the finished product, sorry, that.
Change the account category reference.
Yeah, what
then
is
you'll
it?
get
Okay.
the same.
Yeah, so I just want to know that, okay, what is that?
Yeah. Select it. No, select it. Select FERT.
Yeah, it's sorry, FERT, yeah.
Quantity value.
No. Go to display view. This is
Okay.
Go to.
So what's the valuation action?
See.
What?
Yeah.
And then yes.
Can we have different categories under one delivery or not?
You can have it.
Change account category reference.
Then why do you need to change? We can keep it, right?
No, I just, okay, the thing is that, okay, I don't want actually that account assignment mandatory because, okay, otherwise, okay, I should know that what are all the possible account assignments, everything.
Okay.
This account category reference is there, no?
What do you want to do with the account category?
You change to raw material account category reference, no?
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let me
Yeah, Sundar is asking what is the account category. Madam, why do you need to worry about that account category?
Because, okay, yeah, I'll tell you that thing.
Go to MM02 and change the valuation class.
Yeah. Because, okay, otherwise if it is account assignment category is not, okay, the mandatory thing, otherwise, okay, I should know that, okay, the complete of the account assignment, everything I had to enter it.
No, if you enter an account category reference there, then it has to be assigned to the valuation class assignment area.
No, that is correct, Sundar. Okay, I just, okay, don't want to enter all those things in PO again. When I create a PO, it will be keep on asking for me. Now, I'll show you that, Sundar, okay, why actually I'm
understand. Actually, got it.
Yeah.
Sundar, actually, if we won't change, then we will go for K and then we will go for, we need to go for cost center, we need to go for procurement.
Yeah, understood. Yeah. If it asks for account assignment category, then we have to do it.
Yeah. Hey, just a minute, I'll just get me.
Gotcha.
So that we could have changed the integer type also. Instead of going by this, we could have changed the integer type also. Rather than
yeah, man. We might have done this that way also.
Yeah.
Yeah, we missed that. Right. We might have run one transaction and change the material.
Yeah, so, yeah, otherwise, okay, I just need to go on.
We might have done like that also. MMAM. and change the
MMAM
purchase
and we could have changed the material type.
Yeah.
type. Yes.
That's also you can do it.
No need to do that, Srini. Go to item overview.
Okay.
Go to item overview and copy the only purchase order line item. So it will copy the purchase order directly.
Yeah, actually first, okay, instead of that first document, okay, at least we have to enter, right? That header and everything.
You can copy the.
No, if you know the purchasing document straight away, you can copy it.
Yeah. That's what, okay, that, okay, the number we should know it, right? Otherwise, okay, what do you say?
Fine, go ahead.
No, no, what do you say otherwise?
No, just item overview.
No, go to item overview.
Click
go to
item
overview.
Click item
Oh,
overview.
this
Item
thing.
overview. Item
Below the header. Below the header.
Okay.
header item overview.
Okay.
Yeah, scroll
And the
to
line
the
item,
right.
scroll down.
Scroll to the right. Scroll to the
down
right.
Okay.
Right.
Fine.
Still
Right.
further.
Here
Yeah, now the
purchasing
purchasing. You see purchasing?
document. Last third, yes. Copy paste that. Put that number.
Okay. Got it actually.
Press your document there, yeah, straight.
Yep.
And line item number.
Yep. This actually usually, okay, we give the purchasing the PR number here.
No, PR for one more left column is
Yes,
there.
yes, right.
Yeah, usually, okay.
One more column is there for PR.
Yeah.
Yeah.
000.
So high, it is used for high EC sales.
Yeah.
Yeah, same activity will happen here automatically.
Yeah. Now I just want to use copy that the one more item. Is there any copy for us here?
Yes.
Yeah. Select it. The copy I can get. No, not that. Come to the right.
After
Come
lock.
to the one more right. One more right. After lock.
After lock.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. We will have second line item.
Yeah. Okay, so now let me change this thing. Why this is still not a change? We changed the evaluation criteria, right? So.
But the material type we didn't change it.
Do you think so?
You can change the material type.
Yeah, go to MMAM and you can.
MMAM.
I don't. Oh. Material is a production resource or tool.
I mean, you're taking all the views for MRP as well as
Yeah.
all that is
Yeah,
possible.
instead of that thing, okay, I just want, is it possible, okay.
Because raw material, then MRP.
You didn't save it here or what?
I think I saved
You
it,
didn't
so.
save it here?
No, I just saved it. That's why, okay, in the MM02 we got, okay, the 3000 as a,
Yeah. 3000.
yeah, but okay, even actually, okay, if I don't even have it here, okay, so if that, okay, the account, okay, in the accounting, if it is actually the 3000, okay, so it should work actually, so that's what, okay, I'm just, okay, putting the thing. And the classification is 3000, okay, instead of 3000, okay, now I got this. Yeah, okay, let me make this as, okay, the 3002.
And V, you make it V.
Yeah.
Variable price.
Yeah. Can I just try it again? Okay, ME21N.
You only put curry.
Yeah. Okay, just let me. I just want, okay. Otherwise, okay, I can even put that thing also.
No, only put curry and see that it is working. Don't put.
Yeah.
Don't give error.
No.
Still it is asking, right?
Yeah. So there's no provision for the value-based inventory. for this material type in the plant. Okay, so the material type only.
So go to, that's why I said, go to that OMS2.
Okay.
It's a finished product, right? Select the finished product FERT.
Yeah.
Quantity value update.
Yeah, this actually we have to change it, that I know.
Yeah. Go to your valuation area. What is your valuation area? HYDP, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Enter. FERT. See, quantity and value update you are supposed to.
Yeah. So usually I don't think it will change it here if I just save it here.
Yeah.
I don't think
now
it
will
will. Yeah, I don't
actually
think
you should not have changed account category reference also. But anyway, now let us see how it works.
Yeah.
This is the setting we are supposed to do.
Yeah. Usually I think if I change it here, I don't think sometimes it's updating properly.
I see.
Yeah, let me try it. Okay, let us try it out. If it works, okay then.
Sundar, this is your area. You want to tell all.
Sundar, you are a FI guy or? Okay.
We should not change that category reference.
Yeah.
It's asking a plant.
Wow, Sundar, great, yeah. Yeah. Actually, I myself actually a bit weak in the FI integration area, so. Okay, so now. Now, okay, let me create this particular purchase order quickly.
Confirmation.
Oh, sorry, I just forgot it. Okay, let me. I can add it in the change mode.
But I don't know. Did you done in the vendor? That is also.
Yeah, vendor is 1000 CEB Berlin, right? That is the vendor? Okay.
Yeah, that's just one vendor.
Okay.
There is a new book actually that actually talks about that MM and FI integration also. That I just ordered it, so I just need to get it. Okay, so 45000 172. Okay, 66.
In fact, we should not have changed the account category reference, but
Yeah.
We should not do that. Just crack out.
Yeah.
it will create every kind of inconsistencies.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is why, I was trying to stop you guys, but
Okay. That's fine.
We do not want that to be a showstopper.
Yeah. So I just want to directly execute into the activities, warehouse activities.
Okay.
So just skipping all the FI part. No, okay, let me go to the confirmations. Okay. So,
anyway, we need to leave off now. For many times we need to leave off all these things.
Yeah, because usually whenever if I work in IDES system, I used to remember the existing data. Otherwise, take the FI guy and then I need to ask him that what all the categories that's all. Usually, most of the times, when we go to the EWM projects, the FI is always available. And the products are already there. So I'm just creating this particular purchase order, and then I want to create an inbound delivery on top of this thing, and want to pack them, and then want to send it directly to the EWM system. So now let's try to create a inbound delivery 17266. Anant, are you there?
Sleeping time.
But confirmation.
Sorry, I'm sleeping so.
Oh.
Sleeping.
Not really.
Hey Anant, how about your RF practice? You said that you are interested in that thing.
Practice, not doing that much, Srini. What
So
happened is, yeah, this week is go live. So this week and next week. So the go live is like we are waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, you have some big offshore team or what?
No, actually to support the issues, any issues like that in Spain. Spain.
Oh, okay.
So they will discuss, they will do something this, that, and we'll fixing and doing all those kind of things.
And somebody actually, in the Goodyear, they are looking for the EWM resources. Okay, some of you can try it, right?
Not Indian.
Not in India, in US. And India also, there's a lot of demand, even in Singapore also, and even in
FCL Deloitte.
yeah.
Even
So you have any information about Goodyear?
Goodyear actually they implemented it and they want to roll out for the other plants and other warehouses, so they are looking for a lot of people.
I mean, if you can forward the info, it would be highly appreciated.
Yeah, I can just do the thing.
Is it technical, Srini?
Technical is also there, I can say. But if you're technical, actually in Chicago, there are some positions available.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, my project is also there for another couple of months.
So now, okay, so what
We
actually
need
I just...
more quantity, right?
Because my packing material cannot handle it. I need to change the volume and the weight of the packing material. Okay, so because my box cannot handle it.
Yeah, last time we got there.
Yeah, so that's why, okay, I'm just putting, okay, one only. Otherwise, okay, just go to this packing material. Okay, yeah.
No, it's fine. We can see whether it's going to different bin with a different data storage type or not. That's what we want.
Yeah. Okay, so now, okay, so just, okay, save this thing. Now, material got packed. Now, if I just save this thing, okay, the delivery has to create it, okay. And
what
then,
is pack per part quantity and first tab is the HUC, first pack, right, button.
Okay.
What is that? And what is
usually, okay, you can specify that, okay, for this particular material and then, okay, how much quantity I want to specify in the box.
Oh.
Otherwise, see, it is like, okay, the material wise or per box, how much I want to put it, it's a reverse way.
Oh, okay.
But we pack both the materials in one box.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we put it in one box. Okay.
Yep. So now I'm just saving this delivery. So if you want to change this thing, right, you just change that, okay, what is the weighting of the what is, you can say that, okay, the loading weight of the packing material, okay, just change that thing and even increase the capacity also.
Yeah. Then we can add more.
Yeah, usually I leave them as, okay, the 999 or whatever it is. So now the new delivery 18 followed by, okay, so we are able to, okay, create a new delivery. So the document, okay, which we created, okay, 182340, okay, 123. So now let's go to that, okay, our this particular system. So if I go to, okay, our PRDI transaction, okay, so PRDI.
Srini, question here.
Yeah, please.
When we create a delivery, inbound delivery, and then again run into VL32N and try to pack it, or it has to be done during creation? The packing, handling during creation.
Usually we'll not even do the packing. Usually when the vendor, okay, sends the ASN,
it is already packed.
Right.
It's already packed, and then, okay, we'll be getting the as a packed information. Okay, suppose, okay, if the vendor actually, okay, if he forgets to pack it, okay, we can come to the warehouse system and then, okay, we can do the packing also. It's a kind of, okay, the pseudo HU last week which we discussed it.
Yeah, but my question was like, can you create an inbound and then you pack it in ERP? No. Or is it only during the creation you can only pack it in ERP?
See, once the delivery got, okay, the created, okay, it will be distributed, okay, to the
EWM.
It will be distributed here.
VL32N will not work.
Yeah, otherwise, okay, it will work, I will say, but, okay, you need to use the extended inbound delivery processing in that case.
Okay.
Still the numbers are missing.
Is it our, okay, this thing? No, right? So, okay, let me see that, okay, whether it got created it or not. Okay, it got distributed here. So the inbound queue is clear. So CWM slash, okay, the PRDI. Okay, the document number is, okay, the 123. So I just want to go to that inbound delivery notification. And then, okay, it may be inactive. So I just want to see what is the problem here.
Moment we save the inbound delivery in ECC, automatically it will come into SCM system.
Yeah, otherwise, okay, it should be stuck it either in the queue or it should be available here.
Okay.
Now it came here, okay. So I just want to check that, okay, what's the problem actually here. So, okay, business partner, okay. So let me, okay, if I go to that, okay, the HU, okay, this, okay, the packing material is available here. So if I just try to activate this thing, okay, it should have got created successfully, but okay, what is the problem here, okay? Oh, okay, packaging material type, okay, so it's my problem actually, sorry. Because I changed that, okay, here, so let me go to that, okay, the material master here, master data, product, okay. Maintain the warehouse product, okay, for the curry, I just, okay, the packaging data, so, okay,
95.
yeah, because, okay, on what is the packing group, okay, because for other packing groups,
actually you need to,
sorry?
Packaging material, next tab also you need to put it out.
Packaging material type, you have to enter, right?
Yeah, just
basic data?
Yeah, last
The
time.
basic data, next one.
No, here only.
No,
The packing data.
See, that is enough
Here
for
only
me.
basic data packaging.
Basic data packaging
No,
material.
this is not no, this is not a packaging material.
Okay.
Suraj, this is not a packaging material, this is a basic material. See, this thing, this material, what kind of packing I'm going to use it? Okay, because the type of packing group, okay, which the system is carrying, this is not suitable for that HU creation. Okay. So, now I'll just go here. Okay, go to the delivery. Now, click the button, okay, activate now. See here, now it will go off. Okay. Okay.
Ooh. Packaging group. Oh no, let me come again. Okay. Slash and slash SCWM slash, okay, the PRDI. HU, okay, got constructed, warehouse process, okay. Warehouse process, okay, not suitable for, okay, the GR storage bin, okay, sorry. Okay. So we have hot and cold.
Yeah. No, this actually, the specified warehouse process contains the step, okay, the unloading. However, the delivery item, okay, has a goods receipt storage bin, okay. Sorry, okay, goods receipt must be, okay. Okay, sorry. I think
Unloading does not have to be performed, okay.
No. Just okay. I'll just change it in the storage type. Okay, process type. Sorry, I just forgot to remove this thing. I just directly copied it from the 1010. Extended warehouse management. Okay, the cross process settings. Warehouse task. Find the process type. Okay. So now the EHYD 1011 is a process type, okay, which I just want to determine. Okay, so I don't want, okay, specify this thing. I just want to specify it from a door, okay. So now I just want to refresh it here. Now click the button activate. Warehouse process is not suitable for the GR storage bin. Okay, however, the goods received storage bin, okay, with the role of, okay, the stage. Okay, let me see it, okay.
What is the process type it is capturing? Can we
Yeah, yeah, that's what also I just want to see. So the process type will come into the picture, okay, once we have that, okay, the ID, so this is also correct, okay, so now, okay, just a minute, so I just want to see that, okay, the EHYD. Okay, let me just quickly, I just want to, okay, remove this thing, and then, okay, let me try it whether it is actually the problem is with the, okay, the storage bin or, okay, this thing, so. No, still, warehouse process is not suitable for that, okay, the GR storage bin. So it's not that, okay, the problem. So let me save this thing, okay. So let me think what is missing here. So just come here again. So select it. 123. See here, warehouse process not suitable for GR storage bin. Warehouse process not suitable for the delivery item.
What we are trying to use?
The specified warehouse process contains a step, okay.
See, storage bin and warehouse process contradict each other. Entering this warehouse process is not possible. Where is the contradiction comes?
Yes, actually. The specified warehouse process, okay. Let me do one thing. Just a minute, okay. So this has, okay, like this thing. Yeah, a minute. So let me, okay, create, okay, the 29, okay. So what actually I just want to do here is that, okay. So I just want, okay, only with only that, okay, the original this thing.
One quantity.
Yeah, so I'm not sure whether the material got saved properly also. So now save this thing.
I mean, this will go as a direct footer.
It is 124, so I'll just want to check it. Actually, even the 124 also has the same problem.
Okay.
If it is 124 also has the same problem, okay. No, 124 actually went off, so
Directly print.
yeah, so $124, so it is a problem that, okay, the for 124 actually it's not a problem here. So 1011 it's finding that, okay, correctly, and even that, okay, the H2 is also, okay, finding it correctly, so that's not an issue. So the only thing is that, okay, the door determination, okay, storage bin for the goods movement, okay, this is fine because, okay, the door determination logic, okay, we have this problem. So this, okay, we can just fix it up, okay. So anyway, so with one material, okay, it worked fine actually with the material of, okay, the HYD rice, so we don't have any issues here. So let me try the same with, okay, the other, yeah, other material also. So So whether it is an issue with the material, I just want to know whether it is an issue with that, okay, the storage process also.
I think it's a process.
Yeah, it may be the issue with that, okay, so HYD carry. So I just want to know whether it is a data issue or whether it's a process issue. So just, okay, pack it. Now just save it. So it is, okay, the 125. So if I just, okay, execute it here, so 125, if it goes successfully, okay, it is 125 actually, it is actually, you remember actually here, okay, this 125 is the one actually which is failing it. So that means it is a product issue, okay. So it is trying to find a process type, okay, HYD underscore, okay, the curry, okay. This itself, okay, it's having a problem. So I just want to see that, okay, what is wrong with that, okay, the material, okay. HYD underscore, okay, curry. EHYD, okay. Material group is this thing, okay. What is the problem? Okay, the process type is, okay, is it ME or, okay, the 01? Okay, let me check it actually, what actually I have it in the other product, okay, so that, okay, I can just compare it. HYD underscore, because, okay, now we know that, okay, it's a product issue. Okay, it's ME only, so that is correct, okay.
This is BTM.
I mean, both can't have same, right? Because it has to go in a
process type is same.
Process type is same.
No, process type is same. 1011 it has to find it, but it is trying to find it a different, okay, the process type. So how come it is possible? So ST, warehouse data, ME, and then, okay, HTSP. So it is trying to find a different process type. So, okay, what actually I want to do is that, okay, we now know that, okay, it is having a problem. So let me create a delivery without packing this thing. So even instead of, okay, even I don't want to pack it actually. So it's the same product, okay. So just, okay, save this thing. So it is 126 actually now. So
we didn't create unit for this.
Yeah, so for 126, okay, I just want to see it, okay, whether it comes here or not. This is interesting. The product is same, everything is same. This thing, right? Okay. So if I pack it, okay, is it causing the problem? See, now actually it came, and then, okay, it is fine. So last time, okay, what is the problem? See, now it finds that, okay, the 1011 as properly. So let me go to
Can you check the packing tab?
Yeah, that's what also I just want to check it actually, but before that thing, okay, I just want to check it with one material, okay, and then, okay, the storage process active, external warehouse management, okay, the cross process, okay, the warehouse task, okay. So it is able to, okay, EHYD 1011, okay. So the storage process, okay. Otherwise there should be an error in the storage process. So I just need to check that, okay, the storage process, okay, what are all the settings actually available in the storage process also, because, okay, I just used it, okay, what are delivered by the standard SAP. Okay, so I can just check that thing also. That is the only thing, okay, that is left, okay. So now, sorry, I just want to, okay, 32. Okay, so I just want to just delete this thing. Now 1 here, and then just saving this thing. Now 127 it got able to create it here, so let me go here now. Just go slash and SCWM PRDI. So this time the document number is the 127. So so 404. So now there are no issues actually. Maybe some data refresh might not have happened. That's what I'm not sure. So 1011 it is able to find it properly. So let me pack it and then do it also. So this time I just want to 33. Maybe if it is actually everything is correct, then it may be the saving issue only. So I just want to pack this time, so I'm not doing anything differently actually. I'm just packing it and then sending it. So even otherwise unless there is an issue with the HU numbers only. So now I just saved it. See, we did not change any of the settings. So now 128. So now if I just refresh here, then 405 it has to create it. 405. See here, it's now properly creating it. I don't know what is the problem. Sometimes our system behaves like this thing. Now let me send it. 34. 2 of them. 1 each. 1. Now save it.
What is it? 33, 34?
Which one?
That is the deliveries.
Oh, okay.
ASN number.
Yeah.
More deliveries.
ASN numbers.
Yeah, ASN numbers only. So I just created the one more delivery. So 129. So this time it has to create the next one, 406.
There is company is handling in it.
See here, now I don't know what is the problem earlier. So now anyway the door determination, I can just go and change that in the settings. This it's not able to find that the door. So only thing, the problem with the door determination it could not find is that the set sequence should be able to now even for the other item also. Now
Yes.
so now once you select this thing, so the door determination, just go to the settings and then we need to find that the door determination set sequence. So then it can even find that the door properly. Now we have this the HU, which we got it from the ERP. Now I just want to start that the unload. So now I'm just creating an unload. Now if you just create an unload here, so you have two options always. You can see that the loading unloading status. Once the unloading is finished, that unload will be just it will set it to the green. So now if you click the unload, so unload the warehouse task, so it will start now can you see that the problem here is that no bin search possible because the for that unload step or for that particular the put away type of this thing, it could not even find that the storage type, the search sequence also. Storage type or the section or the bin type is not possible. So because it contains that other material with the put away search sequence of the BT, MP or the HTSY towards the direction, it has to find that the GR zone. So create this thing, so it will just no bins search possible or storage type or these things. So we just need to put a set sequence here. Sorry. Otherwise, okay, just go here. First thing, okay, what you have to find is that, okay, sorry. Just go here. I just want to make sure that, okay, everything is correct in this HU, the storage process, everything. So HYD rice, we have it, and as well as, okay, the curry inside this thing. So you can you see here now, the storage process is associated, okay, correctly also, INB1. Okay, so I just want to define that, okay, make sure that, okay, the INB1 is able to, okay, find that, okay, the source and, okay, the destination bin, okay, properly also. So I'm going to the IMG. So extended warehouse management, okay, so going to the cross process settings, the warehouse task, okay, the process oriented storage control. So now, because it could not even, okay, find that, so IB01, you can see that, okay, the unload. Now, sorry, now go to the process oriented storage control, sorry, storage process, sorry, EHYD, this is the storage process. Now you can see that, okay, it is using, okay, the IB01, IB02, IB03. So for IB01, okay, so in EHYD, okay, now I got it, the problem, okay, because, okay, our door should be, yeah, because our door actually should be belong, okay, to that, okay, the 9030, and, okay, if our HU type is, okay, 0001, then only, okay, it has to use, okay, this as a target only. So what actually I can do these things is that, okay, copy these two things, okay, sorry, not this one at least, okay, so copy this thing. Now if it is IB01, okay, yep, so now let it, okay, even, okay, I had to define, okay, the storage type set sequence also. Now just go here. Okay, so now I think I need to still define that, okay, the storage type set sequence. So just a little, no, let me. Wait, I just want to see that, yeah.
So should we continue tomorrow?
Yeah, we can finish that thing, okay, tomorrow. Okay, yeah. So what actually I just want to define is that, okay, the storage process is correct, okay. So just go to the goods receipt process, okay, just define that, okay, the strategies also. So that, okay, now, okay, that, okay, once you have that, okay, the storage type set sequence, okay. That put away. Anyway, okay, we can just, okay, finish that, okay, the set sequences tomorrow, so that, okay, the unloading should be able to finish it.
Yeah, we'll come
because yeah, because, okay, we created a new material, so it's actually even for the other set sequence also. I just want to add that thing.
Yeah.
Okay, so that it is able to find that, okay, yeah, the 9030 is correct only, the source one, okay. You can see that, okay, the storage type and the storage bin is correct, everything. So from 9030, okay, it should be able to find that, okay, the 9010. Okay, so there is maybe some small setting is missing here, so we can just finish it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you.
Okay, so just practice it, okay, till these seconds. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Have a good day.
Good night.
Yeah. Bye. Good night. Yeah.